screen test 2 is a chocolate mousse dessert flipped upside down with a hole cut in it. So you have a fluid layer underneath the crust layer. This is kind of imperfect. Because it was too unstable. And we kind of need more than 3 layers. So I was able to, in the dough beige cake, suction the icing between the cake, but the cake was structural enough it didn't slump. Here we have the cakey layer, which represents the organic soils, all the plants and trees or oyster reefs above the mousse, which is liquid. But the mousse is mostly air. So I'm finding that it's just still too much air. It's not slumping. I can't even suck the mousse through a straw. It's just all air. So this was a good idea in that the fluid layer, less dense layer, is underneath the crust, but we're going to have to do some creative culinary practice to get a actual fluid layer. Like if this were icing or different colors of icing underneath a crust, we could, and I like this, this plastic see-through stuff or glass would be better than just the raw dough beige cake as a cross section. So it'll allow us to see, we could drill down to a very specific colored layer. I think it would be dark, right? We want a dark icing layer or dark pudding, vanilla pudding, chocolate pudding, pistachio pudding, different layers of pudding, and then with a crust on top. And we drill down into the chocolate pudding and suction the chocolate pudding through the straw and see what happens. So I'm going to go on the Rouse's website and see if they have multi-layered pudding. Okay. Peace.